Is your snowblower spark plug gapped correctly? And if not, how do we gap them? Let's find out today. Welcome to MG Factor. Why it's important to gap the spark plug? A good spark plug plays a critical role in the combustion process inside your engine. In order to ensure your engine runs its full potential and maximize engine power, the gap should be correct. The first step is to locate your spark plug. I always recommend to wear some kind of a gloves to protect yourself. This is really important in the process. So remove the boot and then remove the spark plug using a socket wrench. The socket size may vary depending on the make and model you have. So we are going to loosen it up. Now as you can see, the spark plug is out. So as you can see, there is a tiny space between the electrode and rest of the spark plug. That is what we called spark plug gap. Now at this point, you may want to consult the user manual and check how much your spark plug should be gapped. For my snowblower, it should be between 0.03 inches to 0.06 inches. There are a variety of gapping tools available in the market and all does the same job. You can use whatever works for you. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to take the electrode on top of the spark plug and insert the edge of the gapping tool into the gap, and if it slides past over 0.03 inches mark, then it means it needs to be gapped correctly. So press it on the back side of the spark plug gapping tool and give it a little push and ensure it's right between 0.03 to 0.06 inches as per the instruction manual. The spark plug is now correctly gapped in the right range as per the user manual. Now I'm going to reinstall the spark plug back until it's snug tight. We'll use a socket wrench and ensure it's firm. Put the boot back in and you are all set. At this point, do not over tighten it. Be cautious about that. It might lead to damage in the thread, in the block as well as in the spark plug. Now if your owner manuals call for a specific setting and have a torque wrench handy, then I would suggest setting the spark plug to that correct setting. If you don't have a torque wrench, just grab your socket and snug it down until it sits firmly. Note, don't over tighten because this could strip the thread on the engine or in the spark plug itself. If you are one of those that struggle to get your spark plug in, all you have to do is insert the spark plug into this wrench tool here and simply slide it in and twist it to give you some room. I will simply snug it down, put the boot back, and we are all set. Now that the spark plug is properly gapped and checked, let's give it a quick start and see how the snowblower is running. Before that, definitely we'll have to prime it. It was sitting in the garage for almost a month. Yeah, it starts right up and it's running really smooth. So how often should you check the gap? If you could check it every other year, you will be good. Whenever you open your spark plug to clean, I believe that's the best time to gap it as well. So if you found this video helpful, do hit the bell icon so that you get notification of my upcoming videos. Do like, share and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe and healthy.